unicorns, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna do the glitter eyeshadow on my hand, so let's play with the colors. First I'm evening out the skin of my hand, and then I'm gonna draw the eyebrow with the eyebrow pencil. You can use any other eyebrow product that you like. And then I'm gonna fill in the eyebrow with the black eyeshadow. I'm applying a bit of a concealer to clean the edges. After that, I'm gonna draw the eye. Let's just finish this quickly and then we gonna jump to the eyeshadow. I'm applying a blue eyeshadow to the crease and blending it as well. Bring it down to the lower lash line too. Now I'm applying the green color on top of the blue color and mixing them together just to bring up a new color. I'm blending them with a blending brush. I will do the same process again and again until I am happy with the intensity. To the inner lid portion, I am applying a golden eyeshadow. Hope that you guys can see this. And applying the same eyeshadow to the arch. Now I'm applying the glitter glue on top of the golden eye shade, and then I'm gonna apply the glitter. Softening the edges. Now applying the eyeliner. I'm thinking of a bold eyeliner, cat eye sort of, that will look good with this glitter eyeshadow look. Now I'm finishing off this eye look with drawing the eyelashes. You can apply the false eyelashes onto your actual eye. Finishing touches, just applying the white paint for the glassy look. I created this eye look onto an actual eye. If you want to check that out, so follow me on my social. I will link them into the description box below. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like my videos, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification next to it, and share this video with your friends and everyone else. See you guys next time, next week on Thursday, and thanks for watching.